Welcome back to how to set up your HMI. Today, we'll explore Submacros, a powerful tool for simplifying complex tasks by breaking them into smaller, reusable functions. Whether you're automating calculations or streamlining workflows, Submacros can save you time and improve efficiency. Let's dive in. Before we begin, let's review the setup. The display panel includes input fields for values, parameters, and outputs, allowing you to define and test sub-macro logic. For example, consider a village water tank that appears full but still contains trapped air. Even when completely filled with water, roughly 5 gallons of capacity remain displaced. Similarly, each household tank would retain about 1 gallon of air, even when filled to the top. So let's create some numeric value display and set it in the screen with its address, and we will come back to it. Submacros are primarily used for basic calculations, or as reusable components within a larger macro. Think of them as helper functions. They execute specific tasks, so your main macro stays clean and efficient. Here's how to create a submacro in just 5 steps. Step 1. Access the submacro menu by navigating to Macro. Submacro. Create macro in the menu bar. Step 2. Name and describe. Enter a clear macro name and description for future reference. Click OK. Step 3. Write your code. Define the submacro's logic in the editor. Keep it focused on a single task. Let's say that for whatever input data we receive, we will subtract it by 5, giving our new output data. Step 4. Compile and debug click. Compile to check for errors. If successful, confirm via the pop-up. If not, review the error log and refine your code. Step 5. Save your work. Always save all to ensure your submacro is stored and ready for use. And that's it. Now we go back to the numeric value display and in the button created earlier, select Enable Number Operation. Click Submacro Transform and select the name of the submacro you just created. Now you know the basics, we can create more complex structures utilizing the submacro. Not only you can do the operations, but you can also add in addresses and utilize the functions for read-write, system, computation and conversion, operator, and vector graph. Submacros help you modularize your automation projects, making them easier to maintain and scale. Try creating your own and let us know in the comments how you're using them. Once all of the adjustments been made, we can click Offline Simulation and get to view what our submacro is doing. That is all for this video. As mentioned, there is a whole lot more you can do with submacro and macros. Let us know if there is any problem.